Have you seen any tonight? Is she in the bathroom? Is she smoking up outside? Oh, baby, baby, does she take a piece of lime for the drink that I'ma buy her? Do you know just what she likes? Oh, oh, tell me, have you seen her? 'Cause I'm so, I can get her off of my brain. I just wanna go to the party, she gon' go. Can somebody take me home? Ha, ha, he, he, ha, ha, ho. Love me, hate me, can't you see what I see? All the boys and all the girls are begging to if you seeking me. Love me, hate me, say what you want about me. Oh, can't you see what I see?
Dog. At meron ka pang 2,000 mula sa Extreme Magic Sing, ang mic ng champion.
Uy!
At meron ka pang gift pack mula sa champion. Iisa lang ang champion.
Malalaman natin mamaya kung magkano ang mahahakot mo sa jackpot round. Pero ito muna ang kakaibang pagdating.
Panoorin mo muna atin mga EV Babes. Number
7 po.
Number 7, si Madel. Halika, Madel. Lapit ka dito kay Michael V. Yan. At si Michael V.
Number 7. Romel, bakit 7? Wala lang. Trip mo lang. Okay, Anjo,
Okay,
pakihila nga.
swerte
Tingnan
yan,
natin.
Shete.
Oo, tingnan natin kung swerte nga sa kanya to.
Okay, eto na. Plus!
Dadagdagan natin.
47,190 plus 20,000. So ngayon, ang total mo na, Romel, 67,190.
Congratulations.